Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing many fields. It can analyze data quickly and find patterns. But how does it compare to human abilities? AI excels in tasks like calculations and data analysis. It can make decisions based on large amounts of information. This speed is something humans cannot match. However, humans have strengths too. Creativity, empathy, and complex problem-solving are areas where people shine. AI struggles with understanding emotions. In some cases, humans and AI work well together. For example, AI can handle data, while humans interpret the results. This partnership can lead to better outcomes. AI is not perfect. It can make mistakes or give biased results based on its training data. Humans must oversee AI systems to ensure fairness. In summary, AI and humans each have their own strengths. Understanding these differences helps us use them together effectively.